Hello guys, review CMF by Nothing Phone 2 Pro. This 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look completion. In completion we have only protected back cover in this and Type-C to Type-C cable this. Okay. Now talk about device. We have triple camera on the back side. On this side power button and smart button. On this side we have wall buttons. Slot for SIM card, Type-C, speaker and microphone. Okay, without headphones jack device. Turn on, we have display AMOLED, Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz, 6.77 inch, Android 15. Okay. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro. It's CPU, and this CPU results. GPU we have Mali G615. Okay, good results. Look, undo the benchmark results. Undo the benchmark results, close this, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. Graphics we have max graphic level and high frame level. And works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.